I'm diving deep. You already know I'm going deep. So I consulted with the oracle cards in preparation for my solar revolution. And I was advised to share my gifts and my talents in order to open up the doors and the avenues to receive abundance in many forms. And thus, I am here. So, a little backstory on me. I am an Aries in tropical astrology. My interest in astrology was piqued from the intention that I set to learn the deeper mysteries of Aries and to learn why Mars was classified as a malefic planet and to learn why Venus is considered to be at detriment when she comes through the zodiac sign of Aries. So much has happened since the younger version of me decided to take up this study, to include discovering that I'm actually a Pisces in the sidereal zodiac system. And so while in the midst of integrating Piscean energy and learning more about Piscean energy, and as my solar revolution is on its way in like a week, I'm 7 days out to my solar return. I'm feeling that I'm being called to share the wisdom and insight that I gained on the Aryan mysteries so that it may be of assistance and aid to my fellow Aries. Who are up and coming, who are wanting to learn how to evolve the energy of Aries. So the first lesson, I'm going to give 7 lessons for 7 consecutive days because my birthday is in 1 week. So I'm going to share 7 days of lessons that I learned about Aries energy that's not commonly known or not commonly told to the masses. Hold on, I'm about to go grab my book over here. Give me 1 second. We about to go in deep. I just needed to build up why I'm even doing this. I feel like I have some information of value to share. So I got my book here. Let's see if I can find the right page with all of the dates. But lesson number 1 that I discovered, I already kind of touched on it when giving you my introduction of who I am. A lot of us who were brought up thinking that we are Aries, we're actually, when we look in sidereal Eastern astrology, we're actually classified as the zodiac sign of Pisces. So the key words that I would like to offer up to my fellow Aryans who are interested in astrology I want you to remember this, because this is what I learned, and this wisdom was hard. Let me tell you, this was hard earned. It took me a while to figure this out. I know I still look young and beautiful and youthful, but don't let these beautiful ass looks deceive you. There's a lot of wisdom and experience that's contained within me. And one thing that I learned is the following key words: Alpha and Omega. Aries energy. We have both Alpha and Omega energy. Look up those Greek alphabetical letters. Expand your consciousness so that you can understand exactly what it is that I'm telling you here. Alpha and Omega, that means we are the first. And for a lot of us, we are also the last. How amazing is that? So when people try to make us sound like we're the babies of the zodiac who, lack experience, we need to remember that we are also pulling off of that Piscean energy that is sitting to the left of us, and that we are well versed and well experienced, okay? And there's much more to us than meets the eye. Now, I pulled out my book here. This is called Beneath the Vedic Sky. You see my Guru Ganesha right there? So, I'm going to give you the dates, so that way we all are on the same page. If you were born between the dates of March 13th through April 12th, you actually would be considered to be a Pisces and sidereal astrology. I'm talking about this sidereal astrology comes from India, okay? From our ancestors and from our brothers and sisters over in India. Once again, those dates are March 13th through April 12th. My birthday is April 3rd. So imagine my shock, awe, and disbelief when I discovered that actually I may possibly be Pisces, watery, feminine. Okay, all right. I want to dive deeper and share more mysteries over these next 7 days. But for now, let what I just shared with you sink in and soak in and absorb. I'm signing in, signing out, above, beyond, below, beneath, underground, all around, uptown, downtown, midtown, here, there, anywhere, everywhere, nowhere, past, present, future, now. I'm out.